Hello viewers, in Instagram Reels, auto scroll option not showing problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, just go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. Now wait for completing the update process. After completing update process, now open Instagram. Now go to your profile, click on three line icon, scroll down, find help option and go to help option. Now click on report a problem. Again click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Here explain your problem in details. After explain your problem, now click on send. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.